I have 50 weeks to build my first solo art exhibition.
And this week, I realized I still needed to figure things out before jumping into 3D. Welcome back to The Exhibition Diary. This is week 4. It's been a month, and I've barely touched 3D, not because I don't want to, but because I realized I needed to better define the volume of each character first. So, I started creating turnarounds for each creature to make the 3D modeling easier later on. But then, I had to think a bit more about how we're actually going to discover them in this world. That's when I decided to focus on a main character. Let me introduce you to Sylvia. She will eventually interact with the 5 mythological creatures that inhabit this world. So this week, I started sketching small visual ideas to imagine the moments where they might meet. I still have a lot to build before the exhibition, but maybe the point of this project isn't to arrive with a perfectly finished universe. Maybe the exhibition can also show a world that is still growing. So let's see if next week I can finally start bringing some of these creatures into 3D.
See you next Sunday for week 5.